Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Grammar, question sentences. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first on your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first lesson. Thank you. Problem 1. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. Question sentences. Question sentences ask something. Read each sentence. Circle each question mark. You'll notice below we have number 1. Who hid the hat? Number 2. Is it on the cat? 3. Can you see the hat? And 4. Is it on the man? If you would please pick up a pen and circle the question marks. Please do that now. Okay, if you have the same marks that we do, or circles that we do, that is terrific. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you would please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 2. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. Question sentences ask something. Draw a line under each sentence that asks a question. Circle the question mark. If you would please pick up a pen now to solve this problem. Okay, here's what we have. Who is playing in dirt? That definitely is a question, and we circled it. The girl is watching is not a question sentence. Can mom plant flowers? Is a question sentence. Who is reading a book? Is a question sentence. Who is pointing? Is a question sentence. The girl has a doll is not a question sentence. If your answer matches ours, that is superior. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you'd please pick up an eraser and erase your answers. Thank you. Problem 3. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. Remember, question sentences ask something. Draw a line under each sentence that asks something. If you would, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here's what we have. Can we sit in the van? That's definitely a question. We can sit in the van is not a question. Bob can nap in the van is not a question. Can Bob nap in the van is a question. We can sit in the boat is not a question. Can we sit in the boat is a question sentence. The dog can ride in the car is not a question sentence. Can the dog ride in the car is one. If your answers matched ours, that really is fantastic. Way to go. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase the smartboard while you have another student come up for the very last problem. Thank you. Problem 4. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. This is the last problem for today. Remember, Question sentences ask something. Fill in the circle next to the sentence that asks a question. You'll notice we have several down here. If you would please pick up a pen and solve these problems. Do that now. Okay, what we have is, first of all, who hid my hat? That's a question. And look, there's a question mark. Did the hat have dots? That's a question. Did Jan like my hat? That definitely is a question. Can you see the hat? That too is a question. If your answer matched ours, that is wonderful. Way to go. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your smartboard. And we would like to thank you for working with us today with grammar. Thank you.